It is not easy for me to stand up here tonight and talk to the American people against the Democratic administration. This is not easy. It hurts me. But I can call upon innumerable witnesses to testify to the fact that in my whole public life I put patriotism above partisanship. When I see danger, I say danger. This is the stop, look, and listen to the fundamental principles upon which this government of ours was organized. It is difficult for me to refrain from speaking up. What are these dangers that I see? The first is the arraignment of class against class. It has been freely predicted that if we are to ever have civil strife again in this country, it would come from the appeal to passion and prejudices that comes from the demagogues that would incite one class of our people against the other. In my time, I have met some good and bad industrialists. I have met some good and bad financiers. But I have also met some good and bad laborers. And this I know, that permanent prosperity is dependent upon both capital and labor alike. And I also know that there can be no permanent prosperity in this country until industry is able to employ labor, and there certainly can be no permanent recovery upon any governmental theory of soak the rich or soak the poor.